In many offices, sales data is available in Excel, but predicting future sales is still done manually or guessed. Let's build a simple, automatic sales prediction tool using past data. First, I have a simple sales table with months and sales values. This represents real historical data collected over time. We'll use this data to predict the next month's sales. Instead of complicated algorithms, we'll use a moving average method. The idea is simple. We take the average of the last 3 months, and that becomes our prediction for the next month. This method is widely used in business because it smooths short-term fluctuations. Now let's automate everything using VBA. I'll open the VBA editor and create a new module. This code automatically finds the last sales entry, calculates the average of the last 3 months, and displays the predicted sales value in the output cell. We also add a simple trend check. If sales are increasing, Excel shows an upward trend. If not, it shows a downward trend. I've added a button to the sheet. When I click it, Excel instantly calculates the prediction. As you can see, the next month's sales value is generated automatically. To make this more useful, we can add a line chart. This helps management quickly understand sales behavior and trends without reading numbers. This kind of tool can be used for sales planning, inventory control, budgeting, and even performance reviews. And the best part is, no external software is required. This project proves that Excel is more powerful than most people realize. With simple logic and VBA, you can build smart tools that feel like real software. Now the prediction value is ready, but numbers alone don't tell the full story. To really understand sales behavior, we need a visual. When I click this button, Excel not only calculates the next month's sales, it also automatically creates a graph using the historical data. This line represents actual sales from January to June, and this orange point at the end is the predicted value for the next month. Notice how the prediction is placed after the last real month, not mixed into the existing data. This is exactly how forecasting works in real business dashboards. Because the chart updates automatically, you can instantly see whether sales are trending upward or downward, without analyzing rows of numbers. The best part is, there's no manual chart creation. One click updates the calculation and redraws the graph. In the next step, we'll improve this further by adding more forecast points and turning this into a complete sales dashboard.